Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'm going to share how much money can you make having multiple jobs and how much money did I made when I had a second job and a third job. So I've never shared how much money I have, or I've never shared money on camera, but these videos are blowing up and I want to give you guys feedback, tips and tricks on how to save your money. How much money can you make having multiple jobs? It has helped me a lot, and if I can share this with people, I will. I have a full-time, which I just got out of right now. I also worked as a bartender on Saturdays. My shift was from 6 p.m. until 4 o'clock in the morning, sometimes until 5 in the morning. It all depends how fast you clean up and put everything away, wash everything. If you're a bartender, you understand where I'm coming from. If you're a bartender, you get paid hourly, but our hourly pay was like $8 an hour, which doesn't even consider as minimum wage, because minimum wage now is like 12 or almost 15. But I made all my money with tips and just talking to people. So just keep in mind that having a job like this, you have to be open-minded. You have to like be more comfortable talking to people, be friendly. I mean, not too friendly, because guys can be very nasty if you're too nice to them, especially when they're drunk. Just be mindful of that. It's just learning how to bartend and learning how to make drinks. It's hard at the beginning because you have to make sure you do it right away. So you have all these people just looking at you, hey, 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 slam the bar, like, hey, me next, or whatever. You have to be quick and fast at it if you want to make money. I was a bartender and I was also a VIP server. I made money both. The only bad thing about this club, I had to share my tips with my bartenders and my other coworkers. That's the only bad thing about it. But if you can keep your own money, just keep it. That's what most of the girls did, and that's what I started doing until I saw that that's what they were doing. Most money that I've made in one night, which blew my mind, was $560 in one night. That was literally my whole paycheck, and I was working at this other job. So I was working part-time 3 days a week at this warehouse, and I was literally getting paid, like after taxes was like $380 or something like that, because I was part-time. And I was like, no, this cannot be it. Like, I need more money. So I applied to be a bartender at this club. I was making good ass money. So I did that for like a whole year until I found the job that I'm in right now, which I'm content with because it's a full-time. I get more than enough. At this point, I really don't need a second job. But if I want, I will get another one. But right now, with my business and with YouTube and all the strings of income that I have, like personal training, doing programs for people, like I get multiple incomes from different locations that right now I really don't need it. Why not go out there and make money? Like, if you don't have any responsibility, if you don't have a child, if you're single, if you're still living at your parents, why you're not having multiple jobs? Like, why not have money and save it up? This is my other tip. Make sure you save your money. No matter if you're living at your parents or you're living with family, make sure you have a separate account to save your money. Honestly, there was to a point that I was like, what am I gonna do? Like, and I didn't know to open another account. So opening another account is very important. That way you'll limit yourself. Like, you'll have this amount of money over here just for yourself and whatever you need to do. Then the rest of the money can go on your separate account. account. That way you'll save that up for maybe a house, maybe the car that you want to buy, anything that you guys may think of. I know some of you have asked me about a third job. Like, I've been there, done that. I've been there, done that. You know what I mean? I am a hustler. I work my ass off to get to where I want to be. So right now I have a lot of things that I worked so hard to get. You know what I mean? Now that I have a child, it's very hard for me to like just go out there and spend money, because my daughter comes first than anything else. So if you want a day off and you don't have any, you work multiple jobs, you can either call off, get one day off, and get the sleep that you need. If you're sleep deprived, that's the only thing I can suggest you guys. A day off might fall into a holiday. A lot of companies will let you have a day off if they're completely shut down for the holidays. Keep that in mind. You can also have a day off like that, or you can request a day off. You know what I mean? If you want to go on vacation, or if you want to do anything out of the ordinary, you need a day off, then ask for it, call off, or your day off will fall whenever it falls. You know what I mean? I know you guys have asked me a lot of questions, and I am in for all the questions. Like, I love motivating you guys. If I can share my knowledge and my experience with you guys, I will. Laura said, thank you so much for inspiring words. It is exactly what I need to hear. I am starting a second job next week as I need the money. I have been told you won't be able to cope with it, blah blah blah. It is very encouraging to hear you instead. It made me feel much better. Thank you. Okay, Floor, honestly, like, I responded to you, but don't listen to people. People will always hate on you whenever you're trying to do something better for yourself. People are always going to hate. Never listen to nobody, even family, to be completely honest. Family can be the worst people you should listen to. Be careful, be mindful of that, because people can be toxic. Never listen to people, because those are the people that can't do anything for themselves, and they see you do it and they're hating on you. She's just, whoever it is, it's just hating on you. So do what you need to do. If you have the time for it, go ahead and get it, go do it, make money if that's what you want to do. Aileen Sanchez said, came here because I am planning on taking 2 jobs. I don't know, I'll manage, wish me luck. So I did wish her luck. Aileen, honestly, like, anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Like, don't think about it. When you see your income increasing like weekly, then you're gonna be like, oh my god, I didn't know this could happen. Like, this is great. I personally don't see myself working 2 jobs for a long time. So I only worked 2 jobs when I needed for like maybe a year or maybe a couple months. You know what I mean? So you can do it. Go ahead. Don't think about it. Your mind can be tricky as well. Sorry guys, I had to delete some footage because it caught me off, but I was replying to Aileen. Whenever you think in your mind that you can't do something, your mind can tell you, okay, you can't do something, so you're not gonna do it. You know what I mean? Tell yourself that you could do it. You could do anything that you put your mind to. So good luck, and I hope everything goes well for you. So Aaliyah said, ooh, she has my daughter's name, but kind of different. Said, I came on here to see how it is working 3 jobs because that's what I want to do. I have to pay my bills and buy things for myself also. So yeah, I'm getting 3 jobs. I mean, you have to do what you need to do. Like, if you have to pay bills and your current job is not doing that for you, go out there and get it. Don't depend on anybody to pay your bills. Do it for yourself. Like, you can get any job. You can be a bartender, you can be a waitress, and they get paid really, really good. If you want to get 3 jobs, go out there and get it, Aaliyah. You can do it. So J Roman said, starting my 2nd job the 29th of September. Yes, congratulations. I'm happy for you. Wishing you the best of luck. Kyra said, you're inspiring. Thank you so much. That was so nice. Nick Morgan, hopefully I said your name right. He said, I started my 2nd job tonight. I work from home during the day, and now I'm doing a sanitation job for 4 hours at night for COVID, but I have the weekends off from both. That is great. She works from home, which is very manageable. Like, who wants to get up and go to work? Like, that's the best job. For 4 hours only, just cleaning and sanitizing for COVID. Oh my God, that's the easiest job. I see this at my job. I work at a hospital, so I see this at my job all the time. All they do is sanitize. That's not hard at all. Like I said, get a job where you don't have to do that much work, but then again, you get paid for it. So my second job working at the gym was like my other home. Like, it didn't feel like a job. Like, I was so happy to be there. No matter they wanted me at 5 o'clock in the morning, whether I needed to be there earlier, later, like, I loved being there. And it didn't feel like a job. That's why I was just working, because I got paid for it. I went to the gym for free and it didn't feel like a job. So congratulations, Neek. Road to fire. Wow, love the grind, keep it up. Thank you so much. I did respond to all of you, so I just wanted to share it on my YouTube just to give you guys a shout out, let you guys know that you guys are doing a very good job. I don't understand half of these people that like struggle, I hear, because like there's plenty of opportunities out there and there's plenty of jobs out there. It's up to you to go out there and get it. Like, there's money to be made anywhere. You're not getting it. Hopefully you get some motivation from this video, because don't wait on anybody to take care of you. Don't wait on nobody to pay your bills, because nobody's gonna do it for you. I made these type of videos because I've worked multiple jobs myself, and I love giving feedback to you guys, because anybody can go out there and make money. If you guys want a separate video in any other topic, just let me know in the comments below. Congratulations to each and every one of you. I am so proud of y'all. Don't listen to anybody that tells you you can't do something, because you guys can do anything you put your mind to. Go after it. Stay safe and stay blessed. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye.